So after we've gathered the customer's information, we then go to a conceptual layout of what we feel might be the best fit for the customer. So along with a conceptual layout, we also come up with a budget proposal for the customer. And one of the things that we try to offer with the budget proposal is a return on investment for the customer, proving that they can have that within 12 months. So after we've got a system proposed to the customer and he agrees, then we move a step further and we come up with a detailed proposal spelling out all the different components, the costing, as well as the sizes of all the different components. And in addition to that, we try to set up a lab test to prove that what we're actually conceptually working on will work in the field.